Let us decide if we should preserve our Jamaican culture. Should we dash it away? Or better yet, make uno tell we what uno think we fi do with we culture. Talk up youth, myself a talk up youth.
When I was 5, I was listening to Luther Vandross and BGs and Stylistics and Earth, Wind and Fire. Big up, mommy.
That's where our culture is kind of rubbing out, you know. That's where the pencil is erasing our culture, because we as a people now pass it on, which is a part of what culture is. It must be passed on.
A society is not going to grow if it is constantly doing the same thing. So if I have to wake up in the morning to go to the hospital, right, to perform whatever surgery, I don't have time to go outside to be cooking on wood and coal or whatever. Our culture needs to change for us to advance. That's just the reality.
So today, we talk about culture, Dean, music, food, the arts, you name it, we tell it. Yo, poet, take us out now.
When we look back on the youths and culture, we realize them pick me and I know nothing about them roots and culture. Look how them nearly bandana from the independence celebration, Grand Gala. And with the tablecloth she know about me, grandmama. What she know about Sir Alexander, the first Prime Minister, the man ponder $1.
We have to build the youths, they have a youth in Jamaica.